Hi everyone. Sorry I'm not able to be there with you today, but I'm home with a sick kid. So I just wanted to do a quick review with you for your next activity. It's reviewing similes and metaphors. Remember that similes compare to unlike things using like, as, or than. Metaphors also compare to unlike things, but they do not use like, as, or than. So for example, Julie's eyes are as blue as Joni's. Is that a simile? Well, it uses as, right? But is it comparing to unlike things? It's comparing Julie's eyes to Joni's eyes. Since they're both eyes, it's not actually a simile. It's just comparing two different people. If we said Julie's eyes are as blue as the ocean, then yes, that's a simile because we're comparing Julie's eyes to the ocean, which are unlike things, and we're using like, as, or than. Another example would be Julie's eyes are the ocean. In this instance, we're comparing two unlike things, Julie's eyes and ocean. But since we didn't use like, as, or than, it's a metaphor. All right, so we worked on this last week. On the window, you'll notice that there is a blue sign that says metaphor. And on the door, there is a blue sign that says simile. Mrs. Norman has two baggies on her desk. The first one is for you and a partner. So you're going to work with your table partner or the person nearest you, okay? She is going to give you a statement, and you and your partner have to determine, is it a simile or is it a metaphor? Then you guys will walk over, and there's Velcro on the back, so you'll just place it right on the poster that you think it belongs to, simile or metaphor. When everyone is done, you're going to have signs. On one side it's going to say agree, and the other side is going to say disagree. And so Mrs. Norman is going to read off the statements, and you are going to hold up whether you agree with your classmates that they did place it in the right one, if it's a simile or a metaphor, or if you disagree with them that you didn't think that they answered it correctly. Okay? So that's the first thing you're going to do. Then the next thing is she has another baggie. And this one you're going to do by yourself. You're going to get a different statement, and you have to determine, is it a simile or is it a metaphor? You are going to place it on whichever poster you think it is. And then Mrs. Norman is going to read them off, and you're going to say whether you agree or disagree with the cards. Okay? Okay, good luck. Bye. See you tomorrow.